what are the typical pitfalls ng you're trying to mentor? No? Ako, I'll start with one. Yung mistaking scolding for mentoring. Sabi mo, umayos ka, mentoring na. Ano yung nakikita yung mga typical pitfalls ng mga managers when they try to mentor and they're not properly oriented?
It's called giving unsolicited advice.
Why is that bad?
Pag sinabi nating unsolicited, because the mentee or the person is not ready is not ready for advice, not even seeking it, and here you are just giving all sorts of advice. I mean,
When the person is not ready, no?
it will not work.
So, dagdagan ko yun.
Sige mo.
Dagdagan ko lang yun kasi related to advice and telling. When the mentor believes that if he tells, he already mentors. So he continuously just tells. Diba? So, telling, sabi nga natin kanina, may advantages yon. Pero kung ang isip lang niya ay mentoring is just about telling, yun ang pitfall doon.
Oo, no? At saka, yun nga di ba? Mentoring, telling, teaching. Yun, lahat yun, mentoring. No? Yes,
Sa akin siguro it's more of yung mindset of a mentor, which is yung mindset niya to fix. Kung may problema, ang mindset niya is kailangan i-fix ko tong tao na to. So instead of empowering that person or the mentee. Yeah.
Kasi parang ganun no? Yung mistake is associated with the person, so you now have to fix the person to fix the mistakes. Diba? Minsan nilalagyan ng label itong si Ryan.
May ano pa,
Medyo,
mga moniker.
Slow to
Si Turtle, Ryan for example.
Mabagal to so I have to fix that. Diba?
Which is hindi dapat.
Ano pa? Mga pitfalls.
Sa akin yung nakikita ko yung nakakalimutan nila na parang yung experience nila is different from the experience of the person. Nung sasabihin niya na, nung nasa posisyon mo ko, dali lang yun Bakit hirap tong mga to nung time ko, ganito lang yan So yeah, you have the expertise but you also have to recognize na times are different right now, experiences are different. And then also at the same time, minsan nakakalimutan nila yung having that humble bone sa kanilang katawan when they are mentoring because they are the expert. So dapat makinig ka lang sa akin, ako yung pakinggan mo, ako yung dito So parang I think coming from the mindset also, nandun din yung ano yung perspective ng mentor, ano yung iniisip nila when they come into the conversation, and ano yung values din siguro ng mentors that they carry during the talk.
So importante yung perspective taking, no? Yung empathy pagka mentor ka na hindi yung ang iniisip mo lang panahon ko, dali-dali ko lang yan natutunan
But that's coming from a mindset na I know it all Di ba? Kaya ako, I'll just give you, and you don't know anything, So, kung gano'n ang mindset mo, talagang puro tell ka talaga, no? Remember, we started the definition of mentoring with learning partnership. So that means to say there can be mutual learning also in the process. I mean, there's something you can learn from the mentee. Yes, he has something unique to offer too. Siguro, mas marami lang yung mo, pero there's something that the mentee can also offer.
At ang pitfall doon is when the mentor believes that because he's the expert of that situation or of that field, hindi na siya matututo doon sa kanyang mentee. Diba?
Ito, tingnan ko kung anong masasabi niyo rito.